Come with us and take a look inside the KLM Business Lounge at Schiphol Airport. And please do not forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. If you are traveling from Amsterdam Schiphol Airport or utilizing the airport as a hub, you can gain access to the KLM Crown Lounge. The KLM Crown Lounge 52, located on the first floor near the food court, is easily recognizable by the walls adorned with ceramic houses next to the stairs. This lounge stands out as a top-tier airport facility, providing an exceptional travel experience. Access is complimentary based on a specific Flying Blue status, flight class, or can be obtained for an additional cost. Renovated in 2018, the lounge spans 2 floors and has become a haven of comfort and luxury for discerning travelers. A notable feature is the complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring visitors can stay connected and productive in a relaxed setting. The business lounge offers private cubicles for an uninterrupted working experience, along with various areas where you can wait in a relaxed atmosphere alongside your fellow travelers. The lounge has a customer service desk for your convenience. Dining at the lounge is a culinary delight, offering a diverse selection of dinner options. Guests can indulge in pasta, soup, Dutch cheese, and an array of beverages, including open wine, champagne, and top-shelf liquor. The lounge boasts a fully stocked bar and an upscale restaurant, adding a touch of gastronomic excellence to the travel experience. Beyond its culinary offerings, the lounge is a haven of aesthetic charm, providing a variety of comfortable seating options. Additionally, the lounge features electronic lockers, a practical solution for storing carry-on baggage, enhancing overall convenience for travelers. The range of amenities at KLM Crown Lounge significantly contributes to its allure. An assortment of complimentary goods elevate the lounge experience, offering travelers an opportunity to unwind and rejuvenate before their flights. The newly renovated lounge also introduces a restaurant on the upper level, providing an alternative to the buffet area and further enhancing dining options for guests. While some reviews mention occasional crowding, especially during peak hours, KLM Crown Lounge 52 remains highly esteemed for its plush furnishings, delectable food selection, and the welcoming demeanor of its staff. The recent renovations have not only modernized the lounge, but have also augmented its appeal, positioning it as a premier choice for those seeking a comfortable and well-appointed airport lounge experience. I hope you have gained a good impression of the KLM Business Lounge at the largest Dutch airport. Please share your thoughts about this lounge in the comments below and have a safe journey wherever you may go. Goodbye.